Hello everyone, it's Jimmy again, back with another flashlight review. Alrighty, now this one came from Amazon. It says it's got a 7 LED flashlight. Portable, colorful flashlight. Strong magnetic, it's got a magnetic tail. Energy saving, waterproof, Type-C charging. Let's open it up. It's a pretty nice box. Pretty solid box. This is what comes in it. Here's the manual. It's H-A-I-X-N-F-I-R-E. It's Chinese on that side, English on this side. Anywho, that's a diffuser. Comes with a cord, comes with a diffuser, cute little battery, 1200 milliamp. Flat top. It's nice. Nice little battery. And here's the light. Oh yeah, it comes with a clip. That's the Type-C charging port. Of course, I can't get it off without nails. Hold on a second. Yeah. Type-C charging port. It had a flap thing on it, but I ripped it off. There she is. X62. It's got yeah, it's pretty cool. It's got red, green, and blue. UV in the middle with the white, with 3 white LEDs. It's actually pretty bright. It's got to be almost 2,000 lumens. Magnetic tail, really strong, decent. For $10, this is all aluminum, decent quality. It's supposedly waterproof. It seems like it, so. But yeah. Don't mean to blind you guys. It's got a few modes, but hold it down, then you get red, then blue, then green, then UV. It's a really strong UV in the middle. It's pretty nice. Yeah. It's a nice light. Yeah, I got a different battery in here. That's why this is the one that comes with it. This one's better than the Sulfur one that I got in it, or the Workhorse, I mean. But yeah, they're about the same. Anywho, just your regular $10 TEMU. This came from TEMU. This is actually really good quality and really nice. Comes with a battery too for $10. Can't beat that. A cord, battery, pocket clip, magnetic tail, dual spring, nice spring on the bottom, okay spring on the head. You can take this bezel off if you want to. So, and it's nice. It's a nice light. For $10, you can't beat it. Pick one up. It's 2,000 lumens at least. It's really bright for a $10 flashlight. And the battery alone is worth it. So I get better performance with that than this one, than the word goes. Anywho. Oh yeah, I didn't even try this. My bad, the diffuser. Yeah, that's how it works, the diffuser. Oh, the battery's not in it. My bad. But yeah, that's how that works. Try not to make the video too long. Alrighty. Not bad. Oh yeah, double click it for turbo. But then it goes through these other modes. But yeah, hold it for the red, blue, and then green, and then UV. And then hold it. You have to go back, but yeah, then you gotta. Sucks you gotta go through the modes though. That's the only thing I don't like. Anywho, that's it. $10 flashlight. Pick yourself one up on TEMU if you can get them for under $10 or under.